In this video, we're going to be talking about some pretty unique and specialized products that are available from R&B Components when you are looking to convert your van. And I have a few of them, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys them and how easy they can make your install. And stick around. Hey everybody, welcome to Random Fix. So I am building out a 170 extended, and this happens to be my second Sprinter build. On the very first Sprinter build, I went through and I utilized the OEM headliner, which was easy compared to putting in your own headliner. And honestly, I don't think I would have been able to do this unless I had discovered this company out there called R&B Components. And they make some pretty cool products, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a few of them. The very first one above me is going to be this ceiling panel. And yeah, there's going to be a bunch of ceiling panels out there, and you can grab them from company A or company B. The reason I grabbed them from this particular company is because of the way that their panels look. And I got this in raw wood, and everything lines up. So all their center holes line up. They're good quality. So using their ceiling panels, I was able to go ahead and make a suspension style ceiling and figure out how to go ahead and utilize rib nuts instead of sheet metal screws. So all of these are rib nutted in. And I also wanted to keep the flat look. So again, where the two panels meet, I was able to go ahead and just use a suspension style suck nut, and I can make adjustments on the fly. And the reason I did it this way is because I want to be able to access any of these panels on the Sprinter and remove them really quick in case I get into an accident and the body shop needs access to this panel. I can go ahead and do it ultra fast, and I don't have to tear the whole van apart. And R&B Components delivered with this. The other thing that I'm holding in my hand right here is going to be this roof brace. And one of the hardest parts of building out the Sprinter is figuring out how to put up cabinets. And cabinets can be very tricky. And if you are going to be putting up cabinets, this can help you out a lot, especially with some of the heavier wooden cabinets. Now myself, I am actually going with soft storage. And if you guys want to check out my video on an easy soft storage solution, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave you guys a link to it. But these braces go right onto the ribs of the van, and they rivet in place. And it comes with two pieces for each side. So you get two for the front, two for the middle rear, and so on depending on the size of your van. And you can also move them around a little bit so you're not just stuck to one position. So if your cabinet needs to be off the wall by 12 inches, you can go ahead and do it. Or if your cabinet needs to be off the wall by 16 inches, you can still go ahead and do it. You may have to make a small modification. I don't think it'll be too difficult. So really good solid metal pieces right here, and again, they're pretty affordable, and I'm really glad I have these. Now in my situation, I did not use these, and if you guys want to learn why, check out my video links on why I did not use this for this build. Now this was the roof brace that I showed you. They also make this corner upper brace right here, and these are gonna go right in the corners, right in there, and these go right in the corners all the way down on both sides. And again, I wasn't able to utilize this, and again, I wasn't able to use these because I have L-track built into the van, and I wanted the panel just to slide up, that smaller panel up there, so I can go ahead and service the van in minutes. If I didn't have that, I would have installed this and it would have been really easy, and then I could have put it up wood cabinets if I needed to. But just wanted to show you guys that. They also make a bunch of other cool components, and I'll leave you guys a link to some of my favorites. And if you guys want to learn more about the van build, and you guys want to stick around and learn how to put the seat in, how to do your electrical, AC, fans, shelves, whatever it is, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, as I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much.